Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a young man named Daniel. He was an ambitious architect, dedicated to designing innovative and awe-inspiring buildings. His life was filled with blueprints and construction sites, leaving little room for romance. That was until one fateful day when he met Alina. Alina was a whirlwind of energy and passion. She worked as a journalist, always chasing the next big story. Her love for adventure extended to her personal life, and she had a reputation for spontaneity. One sunny afternoon, their paths crossed when she was covering the grand opening of a new skyscraper, one of Daniel's masterpieces. Their first encounter was brief, but Alina's charisma left a lasting impression on Daniel. He couldn't forget her warm smile and the way her eyes sparkled with curiosity. He decided to take a chance and asked his friends if they knew anyone named Alina. Serendipitously, one of his colleagues did, and he managed to get Alina's contact information. Their first date was a whirlwind. Alina suggested they go on an impromptu road trip to a nearby charming coastal town. Daniel, usually a planner, was captivated by her adventurous spirit and agreed. The weekend was filled with laughter, exploring hidden beaches, and enjoying local seafood. They realized they shared a love for experiencing life's surprises. As the days turned into weeks, Daniel and Alina's connection grew stronger. They supported each other's dreams and aspirations, and their love blossomed at a breathtaking pace. They made spontaneous trips to art galleries, danced under the stars, and shared their deepest hopes and fears. One day, as they stood on a hill overlooking the city, Daniel turned to Alina and said, "I never thought I'd find love so fast, but with you, Alina, it feels like destiny." Alina smiled, her heart racing, and replied, "Sometimes, love has its own plans, and I'm grateful it brought me to you." Their love story was like a beautiful whirlwind, defying convention and embracing the unexpected. Together, Daniel and Alina created a life filled with adventure, passion, and a deep love that continued to grow, reminding them that sometimes, the best love stories happen when you least expect them.